How to customize Shopify Studio theme header. Hi guys and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can customize your Studio themes header. So in order to do this, you'll have to first of all navigate to a browser on your PC. So I'm going to open Microsoft Edge, and after opening your browser, you'll have to type in Shopify login. Then click on the first link, that is Shopify, and log into your Shopify store using your user credentials. Now you'll be on your Shopify's homepage. Here you'll have to click on Online Store under Sales Channel, and then you'll be on your themes page. On this page, you'll have to scroll down. You'll have to make sure that the Studio theme is published as the main theme of your Shopify store. So click on Publish just after Studio. Now click on Customize button just after Studio. And in order to edit the header of this theme, you'll have to simply click on the header icon. Then you can choose the desktop logo position. So click on top center, and now you can choose top left, top center, middle left, or middle center. So if I click on middle center, the Shopify store logo will appear just right here, and the desktop logo position will be changed. For example, if I click on top left, now you'll see that the store's name is appearing at the top left. So you can choose the desktop logo position by doing this. Now, if you want to choose these menu items, you can click on this main menu option and you'll be promoted to your navigation page on your Shopify. So on this navigation page, you can click on delete just after any one of these navigation button or menu items if you don't want it to appear in your header. For example, if About Us page is appearing right here and I want to remove it, I will click on this delete option just after About Us page and click on remove. And if I would want to add a menu item, I will click on add menu item and name that menu item anything and click on search or paste link and choose the product page that I want to attach to that menu item. For example, I want the products to appear just after someone click on anything, and I will choose this magnetic bottle bag. Now I'll click on add, and now I will click on save menu. Cut this out and refresh this page, and now you will see anything appearing just right here. So that's how you can change the menu items. Now if you scroll down, you can choose desktop menu type. For example, if I would want these desktop menu to appear under a drawer, so I will click on drawer, and now it will look something like this. Now if someone clicks on this three-lined icon at the top left corner, they will see home, all products, catalog, and anything appearing like this. So that's how you can change the style of this menu type. You can also choose mega menu. Now scroll down and click on edit button under color scheme. So click on edit, and now you can choose the background of your header. So select background and choose any color that you want for your header. Now cut this out, click on edit again and click on background gradient. Now if you want to select a gradient color for your background, you can click on this icon. This will be set as a background gradient for your header. Now cut this out, and as you can see, the slideshow and the header's color are same because the color scheme is same. If you want to change the color scheme for both of these, you'll have to click on the color scheme, click on change and choose another color scheme. Now click on edit. Now choose background and choose any color that you want, and simply differentiating the color scheme can easily change the color of your and the header's background. Now scroll down, and here you can choose bottom margin, section padding and bottom padding of this header on your Shopify store. Now click on save, and that's how you can customize Shopify Studio theme header. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe and hit that notification bell, and I will see you in the next video.